Now, doesn't that look good? Well, stick around because on this video, I'm going to show you how to cook the sausage, peppers, and onions all at the same time in about 7 minutes. Hi, folks. Welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. This video is a review of the Nostalgia Game Day Sausage and Brat Cooker. And yes, you can cook hot dogs in it if you like. Let me show you what I do with it, including cooking the brats, peppers, and onions at the same time. Underneath the cooking surface, there are two heating elements, one on top and one on the bottom, providing a total of 1200 watts of heat, making this sausage grill blazing fast. Since there's no external control, the grill starts heating as soon as you plug it in, and there is a drip tray in the front. Now, before plugging in the grill, I recommend wiping the cooking surface with vegetable oil. This makes cleanup easier. I use a frozen blend of bell peppers and onions, which you can get at the frozen food section of your grocery store. Notice I am only using 2 brats, and I'm using the remaining 3 slots for frozen peppers and onions, and you can just pile them on there. They don't have to be in the slots. After you're finished, close the lid and set a timer for 7 minutes. And when the time is up, it's important to check the internal temperature of the sausage to ensure that it is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, if you think I did a good job on this video, please smash the like button so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.